Imagine this, it is 2 a.m. right now. You have a quiz coming up at 9 a.m. and you had way more coffee than the actual amount of sleep in these 3 days. Your brain is foggy. You can't think straight. Then your friend comes up to you with a solution saying that bro, ये try कर ले सारी tension हो जाएगी. Sounds tempting, right? Think again. Drug abuse isn't just a phase. It is fueled by stress, peer pressure and misinformation, and it traps your knowledge, your future and your entire career. Hi, my name is Sumani and today I am going to convince you by the end of this speech why saying no isn't just smart but a necessity. Having ant food or going for a midnight Maggie treat in hotspot is a ritual at this point. Here in BITS, sleep is optional and sometimes the stress of your CDCs, your club meets, your TF stations can be more overpowering than the actual mixers that are coming up. Then you start looking for a quick fix. But when you notice that this quick fix isn't just for one time, drugs aren't just these illegal drugs that we talk about. They can be the prescription drugs taken the wrong way, the stimulants, the energy boosters that we take to stay up all night, or the drugs that you take in an after party just because सब कर रहे थे और मुझे FOMO हो जाएगा. This isn't the way. According to the statistics, we also notice that there is a 40% decline in the academic performance and can also lead to the college dropouts after taking the path of drugs. We see a decline in our entire academic performances, our health keeps declining, our mind doesn't stay stable, and everything goes wrong in different ways. Sometimes you feel stressed, just go to the gym, go to parties with your friends, spend more time outside, or the best option, just sleep. Trust me, it works. BITS offers us a lot of freedom, like we have this so-called 0% attendance policy, we have a no in time, and we have a lot of flexible schedules as well. But that doesn't mean that we have to take like the wrong decisions, but instead we can actually take smart decisions as well. So here, I would like to conclude by saying that not only saying no to drugs, but we're here saying yes to a safe future. Sometimes if you see your friend struggling, what you can do is just say, bro, you're good. That sometimes can be the first step to helping someone. And if someone offers you drug, all you gotta say, if they come up to you and say that, try this is going to make your life amazing.